Hey guys, welcome back for the next lecture. In this one, we're going to learn how to actually print out your information out of a printer so that you can paste it on your fridge or give it to your mother, which I haven't done. But let's not get into that. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, how to set it up really quickly, and just really get a great view of of all your work. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set the border, right? How much of this page do we actually want to print? So to do that, we're going to go to View, right? Then we're going to go Page Break Preview like so. And this is going to highlight the different areas that we're going to be printing. So let's zoom in. Now, as you can see, this blue line down the middle is saying that this one is page 1 and this one is page 2. Now we don't want that. We want it all in one page, okay? So the way to get rid of that is we just click on that blue line and we drag it to the edge. We now have just one page. So that's great. So we're done, right? Well, not exactly. All this means is all this content is going to fit on one page. How it's going to fit on that page, we don't know yet. So we have to fix that. So what we want to do is we want to go View, Workbook Views, and Page Layout. Now this is going to show you, this message just comes up because you have a freeze pane on your screen, right? That freeze pane is that black line that we inserted. And all Excel is saying is, well, if you want to look at it in page layout view, you have to get rid of the freeze pane. And we say, yeah, no problem. We can always add that in. So we just press OK. Like so. Now let's zoom out. Now, as you can see, this is our piece of paper. Doesn't exactly fit well. It doesn't look pretty at all, and we can't even read it if you print that out. So we want to change this. We want to make it landscape by going Page Layout, Page Setup, Orientation, Landscape. Like so. Okay. Then we want to zoom in so that it fills up the whole screen. Now I like to do this in increments, so you go Page Layout, Scale to Fit, and Scale. Now you want to increase this bit by bit until it fits perfectly on your piece of paper. Right? Now we've gone over a little bit, so let's zoom in. Right? Let's take this back a bit. Let's say 89%. Too much still, 88. There we go. Okay? And you can adjust this as you go along. If you're not happy with where your information is, you're free to modify it and move it around as you wish. So as you can see here, still doesn't fit perfectly. So I reckon we can actually put this graph underneath the distribution graph and have this value at the bottom. So how do you do that? Let's go back to the normal view. So you want to go View, Normal, and that'll bring us back to the first page we went to. All right. Now, what we want to do is place this underneath here. But as you can see, the table's there. So we got to bring that down. So the way to do that is we want to click on this number 17 or whatever row that you're at and click all the rows. Now we're going to need about this much space, I'd say. Right? Once you've highlighted all the rows, you want to right click on that blue section and you want to click Insert. And that's going to drop everything down like so. So now we have space. Let's bring this down underneath, make it a bit bigger, like so, and make this one a bit bigger too. There we go. But now that we've modified it, we got to go back. So we got to go View, Page Break Preview. This seems to still be okay. Oh, no, sorry. We have a second page here, so we want to bring that down. So now we have one page again. Then you want to go Page Layout in Workbook Views. And now we want to make it Portrait. So you go Page Layout, Page Setup, Orientation, Portrait. Okay, let's zoom out a bit. Now there's a lot more space, so we're going to increase the scaling. So Page Layout, Scale to Fit, Scale. All right, and let's increase it till it fills up the whole thing. And back a little bit. There we go. Let's zoom in. Now it's gone over just a little bit, so let's actually adjust that and bring it back in. There we go. That's the first one. There we go. And the second one. And there you have it. We've created all this data in under 30 minutes, I'd say. Incredible, incredible stuff. So have fun with this. See how you go. And if you really want to, go ahead and print it. Right? Chuck it on your fridge. And this will be the very, very first Excel full analysis that you've ever done. So guys, I hope you had fun. I hope you learned a lot. And I will see you guys soon.